Yeah, we talked to the girls.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Tell me about
This was something that Kappa Sigma did back in the 80s and I think in the 70s as well. Something that hasn't been done.
Left shoulder out! Left shoulder out! And arm! Razzle dazzle! Razzle dazzle!
It hasn't been done in a few years, especially since we came back on campus. And yeah, we thought we'd bring it back this year and kind of develop our alumni relations.
Get sick! Yeah! Stop trying!
Yeah, go try!
Out there. That's still Kappa Sig. Yeah. It looks like they couldn't get lawnmowers for their race.
The lawnmowers are back. Rake screws.
This screw never happened.
We need a couple more mowers. Got some seniors up too. See, they put the rakes.
Can you see him?